If you've ever looked into trading prop firms, you will know that there is no shortage of options available. Fast funding, aggressive targets, tight rules, and on paper, a lot of them look great. But in reality, most prop firms out there just don't support what a trader really needs to succeed. After trading with the prop firm The 5%ers for a number of years, and from trying out different program structures, there is one program that, for me, stands out above the rest. And interestingly, it's not the one that most traders start with. In this video, I'm going to talk you through the different programs available with the prop firm The 5%ers and my favorite choice out of the programs and why. This video is not from a promotional angle, but from actually using the programs in real trading conditions and my honest review on the programs. For a bit of context, I have been trading for many years now. Originally started trading in 2019. I first started trading with the 5%ers back in 2021. In 2024, I became a funded trader with the 5%ers, passing their hypergrowth program. I have experienced firsthand how the different rules and environments can directly impact your performance trading. And that's something that I don't think gets talked about enough. First, let's break down the 3 different programs that they offer because each program offers something slightly different depending on what type of trader you are. High stakes program is probably their most well-known option. It has a structured scaling plan, clear targets, and more defined rules. There is a 10% max stop out loss and an 8% profit target. But remember, there is also a max daily stop out. So if you hit that in a day, that's it, your account is void. The high stakes program is a 2-step program, but once you complete and hit the target for both of those steps, you become a high stakes trader and have access to your account. High stakes is great for traders who like clear structure and a direction. But some of the cons is that the growth plan is maybe not the best one out there compared to their other options. The Bootcamp program is a great option for traders with a limited budget because it is a lower entry program. It is a staged progression, good for learning discipline, and a great start for beginners to get into the realm of prop firm trading. Again, it is well structured and you need to perform within the set conditions. Then we have the hypergrowth program, which in my opinion is the most interesting of all of the programs. Like the other programs, there are different account sizes available. There are clear rules to respect, although slightly different to the other programs. There is a max stop out of 6% and a profit target of 10% to reach to pass the program. However, unlike high stakes, you don't have a max daily stop out, which can give you a little bit more flexibility. Instead of focusing on speed, reaching the profit target as quick as you can, it focuses on something else, sustainability, and that completely changes how you approach trading. One of the major plus points of the hypergrowth is that there is no set time limit. You can take as long as you need to pass the program. This might sound simple, but it is huge, and not every prop firm offers this amazing bonus. If you feel pressured to find trades, then you are more likely to force setups. With no time limit, you can focus on quality over quantity and ultimately improve your trading performance. What I find the most enticing with the hypergrowth program is the scalability plan. Yes, high stakes program does have a scalability plan and it is also pretty good, but not compared with hypergrowth. With the hypergrowth program, there is this long-term progression that means that you can end up trading a $4 million account size. Yes, it will take quite a while to get there, a lot of discipline and a lot of consistently profitable trading. But if, like me, you're in it for the long game, it's worth it. And it is very interesting to know that there is that option available long term. Now, I'm not saying that you can reach a $4 million account size overnight. It does take time, it takes consistency and discipline. But having that level of scalability means that you're not just passing a challenge. You're building something long term. From my own experience, I have realized that the more pressure a program puts on you, then the harder it becomes to trade well. And the more freedom that you have with structured risk, then the better your decision making becomes. As someone who is balancing life, being a full-time mother of 3 children as well as trading, I do not want to feel rushed at the charts. I want to be able to plan properly, wait for the right setup, and execute calmly. And that's exactly what the Hypergrowth Program allows for me. Now, I want to keep this realistic, and I'm not saying that it's easy to pass. Trading takes a lot of time and perseverance to do well, and prop firm programs in general can be difficult to pass. You still need a strategy that works, strong discipline, and emotional control. The program doesn't necessarily make you profitable, but it does create conditions where profitability is possible. So who is the Hypergrowth Program best suited for? I would say it is ideal if you prefer a calm, structured approach. If you don't want to feel rushed by time limits. If you focus on quality over quantity. And if you are content growing slowly but consistently. Equally, who is the Hypergrowth Program not suited for? It might not be for you if you want quick, instant results. If you expect to trade $1 million straight away. Or if you're trying to pass quickly, because this program is about longevity, not speed. At the end of the day, the best prop firm program isn't the one with the biggest promises. It's the one that allows you to trade at your best. And for me, that is the Hypergrowth Program by the 5%ers. If you've traded with the 5%ers or any other prop firm, I'd love to hear your experience. Let me know in the comments below. And if you want some more information about the Hypergrowth Program or one of the other programs I've talked about in this video, there is a link below to the 5%ers website. Do check it out. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!